Ambassador Francis Butagira, or chairman wa board wa Uganda Registration Services Bureau, nuwabiraga umujyanyi mukuru aha mukoro go kwiguraho Technology and Innovation Center at Bishop Stewart University. Mu bigambo bye Butagira simire nkore ryo bwagumize nneija kuyamba ihanga okurakurana umukoresa amagezi genzarwa okore ibintu byo mugasho.
You see, Mr. Vice Chancellor, you can invade something here. Patent it. But you want to explain it commercially. You are not looking at only the Uganda market, but beyond. The question is, how can you commercialize beyond our borders? How can we protect an artist here, registered here, but you also want to protect it internationally? What instruments do you have? I'm not going to go into this, but there are international legal instruments which can protect your relation, not only here, but also beyond.
Masekino Wisho, Registrar wa Uganda Registration Services Bureau, agizirengo n'umwanya gwana na gumwe okwigurwaho mu ihanga ryona kandi ashoborire ikigenderwa cyo kwiguraho imyanyeji.
Ninga mate Chwache nangu ni testing, prototyping, ochiteka mba science bachitongoze bacheze certification kandi chikora. So ntwe nangu abantu mu government program erukora omu Uganda Registration Services Bureau konkane kwata ashonga yo kujangu Uganda ni member ya World Intellectual Property Organization istongere chukura yo musiyona ku emitwe by'amagezi agakurwa ombongo.
Abebembezi b'itenekero ya BSU basime ekitongole kya Uganda Registration Services Bureau abo kugira ekiteekateeko cyo kutandikaho emyanyeji bwe bagumize nneija kwera amatendekero okukurakurana na munongo kuuma ebintu ebirikujumburwa.
That we thought about patenting and copywriting and protection, but also guided us on a lot of things that we thought we actually needed to protect. For instance, we thought we needed to protect the formulas that we used in our innovations. But actually we are told that you disclose, there is disclosure. If you want us to protect you, you disclose what you are doing. So another person is not able to do it. We will protect it if you disclose it. If you don't disclose it, it cannot be protected.
Why this university? Yes. I think it was a very appropriate choice because the university is renowned for being, a leader in innovations. And we, as a university, we have won several awards in that regard. So we have been doing innovations, but we have not been keen or knowledgeable to patent them, and more important, to commercialize them. So I hope this can facilitate us to do more innovations.
Gasha kwa Senge and Abdul Karim.